My humble pranams to all of you. This is Kajal from Trinity Healing Center. Hope you all are doing well. So let's begin. The reason why I am making this video is of late we have realized that there is a lot people are talking about healing, energy, about staying positive, high vibes. But the thing is how to be in high vibes, how to think positive always in between of these kind of situations. It's really very difficult. So I'm going to share a small technique wherein you will be able to raise your vibrations instantly. Now when I say raise your vibrations, I will give you a small brief about what exactly is vibration, what is energy, what is aura. So the way we have our physical body, the way the living and the non-living things, like we all have a physical body. You can see, feel, touch. You can see, feel, touch. You can see, feel, touch. Similarly, there is an invisible energy body surrounding us throughout. Okay, like we have nose, there is an energy body nose. We have eyes, there is eyes in the energy body. So this entire energy body, which is surrounding us, is called aura. Okay, now since it is energy, it has a frequency because it vibrates. We all know that energy vibrates. Okay, now why do we feel low? So agar, like if we have energy body vibrating at a lower frequency, you automatically will attract lower vibes. Okay, so how to raise our vibrations, how to raise our frequency of the aura? So that we can do by staying in high vibes and thinking positive, which is very difficult. Okay, like people feel how to think positive always, how to remain in good vibes always. So here is a small technique that I'll be sharing with you. So if you have some glass jar or anything, any plastic bottle at your place, you can take that and just decorate the cover of it the way you want it. You can stick mirrors, you can stick sparkles, you can just paint it, you can do dot art on it. Okay, and then you get these kind of slips in the market. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, you get these kind of colored chits in the market, all different vibrant beautiful colors. Okay, so every day you will take maybe five different colorful chits, and you will write thank yous or the reason you are happy. Okay, I'll just show it how to write. So just randomly pick up any color of your choice. Yeah, so for example, today you um, had tea and your family or your wife or your sister or your mother made some yummy breakfast for you and you really felt happy eating that. So just write, I really felt happy having so and so in my breakfast. Thank you, universe. So that's your one chip. Second chip, maybe if you have a baby at your place, or maybe you are watching some TV, maybe you are listening to some music and you're feeling good. So just write, I was listening to this music and I really felt good. Thank you, universe. So this is how you go on filling up the chits. Any small thing, like just I peeped out of the window and I saw a bird. It was really looking cute. I felt happy watching the bird flying, or I felt happy looking at the flag. Thank you, universe. So in this way you fill up that jar. Okay, and every day you just go on filling up, filling up, filling up, and name it as a happy jar. Okay, slowly within 7 days you guys will realize that yes, there is a shift in your um, attitude, a shift in your thought forms, which will really make you feel wow. Like you should really experiment this. It is going to cost you nothing, just these kits you'll have to buy from the market, and just go on writing thank yous. Trust me guys, trust me my friends, your life is about to change. Maybe in a week things will start falling. इससे क्या होगा? What will happen when you start writing these gratitude? Okay, every day when you put these in the jar, that jar will be energy of happiness, and happiness will attract more happiness. Then again you will put on, go on putting in more chits inside the jar, and you will be attracting more happiness, more reasons to write thank yous, more reasons to write thank yous. But the entire idea is you will have to start somewhere. Now if you don't have chits, don't wait, oh when the market will open, when will I go, when will the shop be open, I don't know. As of now, just to start, just write it. Okay, just write it on a plain paper and keep it, and go on decorating the jar beautifully. Trust me, your life is about to change within a week the moment you start writing these. This is a very small technique that I am sharing with you. Of late, I will be coming up with many different techniques and I'll keep sharing with you. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.